Hi and welcome to my channel. Recently I decided to buy a second set of headphones to use as a daily driver for online meetings and to listen to podcasts on my daily commute. For training I prefer to use my Powerbeats Pros, but after 2 years of use they haven't really been charging so well anymore. This is a known problem. It can be a real issue if I'm in the middle of a meeting. These $50 or £50 headphones are a great solution. So let's go ahead and unbox them. So I decided to go with the light grey. I think they look great. They're very pale, almost white in colour. The box comes with USB-C charging, and when on low power they have a 10 minutes fast charge for about an hour and a half hours of use, and a set of ear tips. Just like Apple, it also has a nice Beats sticker. These are not true wireless because of the wire, but actually I like the security it provides if one of the earbuds falls out. The plastic is good quality and it feels robust. There is an on-off button which is also used for pairing, and a button to answer calls and a volume button. The buds are magnetic, which also pauses sound and video. The earphones have the Apple W1 chip for easy pairing. And they also support iCloud pairing across your other devices and SharePlay. Switching is not as seamless as my Powerbeats Pro that have the H1 chip, but it's simple to click between input of the sound and its output. I really like the ear tips because they're extremely soft and comfortable. During use I found that they last the estimated 12 hours on a full charge. I am really happy with these, and for the price they're perfect for what I use them for.